this is working shoulder strength. We're gonna have 2 dumbbells in the hands. So you're gonna bring the arms up towards the ceiling. Good. And to keep 1 dumbbell up towards the ceiling, you're gonna drop the other one, coming down with a straight arm, and then control back up. Good. And then do the opposite side. Good. And back up. Good. We'll do 1 more on each side, and what you're looking for is whether she's compensating through the low back or she's using other muscles or her shoulder to bring that arm up. And then if that's the case, you can go a little bit lighter. Bend the elbows and then go ahead and let it come down. Let's do a sideways view. So you go ahead and turn to the side. We'll do a few more. You're gonna bring your arms up. Good. In this position, ribs are down. You're looking at the low back. Draw 1 arm down, nice and controlled. Good, and looking at what the shoulder is doing here. You want it nice and strong. Good. And for her, this weight might be a little too heavy. And then come back up. Good. And then 1 more. You can really see on the way down, this looks great. And then on the way up, good. You can see that low back arching a little bit. And in that case, you just go a little bit lighter. Very good. Bend the elbows, come on down.